Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today's video is going to be about my Jeep and the exhaust. About a year ago, I replaced the exhaust on my Jeep because it was having some problems with it. I was driving my 2-year-old at the time, and we had a hill going up into our neighborhood, and I couldn't make it up the hill in first gear. So had to figure out what was wrong with it. Turns out it was my catalytic converters were clogged up. So on Jeep Wrangler 4.0, there's 3 catalytic converters, and I replaced the main catalytic converter from a Muffler shop, and it fixed the problem for about 3-4 months, and then the problem came right back. And so I went back to the same Muffler shop, my fault, and they told me, oh yeah, your catalytic converter's clogged up. Here's a quote to fix the problem, which was the same catalytic converter. And I said, no, you're not doing that. They said, well, that's the problem. And I said, it might be the problem, but you're not doing that because that's the one you replaced 3 months ago and it didn't fix the issue. And they proceeded to tell me that I had engine problems and all that other stuff, and that just simply wasn't the case. So what had actually happened was, on a 4.0 Jeep Wrangler, you have 3 catalytic converters. You have one that comes off of one side of your exhaust manifold, and one that comes off the other side, and they're little pre-cats. They're about this big, so not big at all, but they are catalytic converters. And so what actually happened was those were clogged up. One was clogged, and the other one had to just burn out completely. So what I did was I ordered those parts, ordered those from Amazon. I'll put the link to those parts that I ordered in the description below, and probably in the comments too. Check that out. They're pretty good parts. They are a little bit expensive, but in my opinion, they're worth it. And if you like the overall sound, I'll put the sound here in just a minute. It's pretty cool. So anyway, just check it out. I ended up getting about 1 to 2 more miles to a gallon than what I typically got. So about every year I end up gaining about $200 because I drive like 30,000 miles a year, more than normal. So right now at this point, I've had 3 years, so I probably put about $600 into it, and that's not what the prices are, but that's probably about what I had into it with them labor and all that good stuff. And I had them stainless steel tubes, some things. So it might cost you a little bit less, might cost you a little bit more. It just depends on how you want to do it. But it actually turned out really well. So now at this point, where I'm about $200 in every year, because I'm getting better fuel efficiency and it sounds a lot better, I've actually paid for these products. So anyway, I'll let you hear it and let you see what you think. But if you're having the same problem, that's what I did to fix it. Don't let a muffler shop tell you otherwise. You might have a clogged catalytic converter, and that might be the temporary fix, but look into it more closely, because when I started, I didn't know any better. And that actually ended up what it ended up being what it was that all 3 had problems, and the first 2, one was burnt out and all that gunk was just riding down all into the main catalytic converter and just clogging that guy up. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this video. Please like it, subscribe, and tap that bell for me. All right, let's see what you think. Thanks. Hey guys, hope you like that sound. Like I said, I'll put the link to those products in the description below. If you like this video, give me a like. If you like it, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.